क्या हो गया जनरेटर ऑल ओके ना?
दूसरा ऑनलाइन वाला नवीन कार्ड एक दो कार्ड पहले डब्बा निकाल कैमरा मेरा बाद में वो तो हो जाएगा बच्चा पैसा भी दे दो
हो जाएगा इतना तो सेंटर है
How do you do it?
उधर खड़े
Thank you so much for coming in. Hi Komal sir, how are you? And some very, very gorgeous looking people in the audience today that will be joining us on stage, and we've all landed up for that. Dadwala, if you could just come on stage, sir, and we'll chat a little bit about this film. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I'd like another mic. Right, sir. So they might want some solo photographs before you call somebody on stage, yeah.
Thank you, my friends from the media, to come at a very small notice, and especially on a Saturday. I mean, I know it's your holiday, and thank you. And would like to call my director. Our company is very proud to work with Kabir, please.
A big round of applause.
Hi, thank you for being here. This is a very special film. This is actually my first film after I stepped out of Yash Raj and collaborated with Sajid, who I've known for several years. This is an idea that we got from Hussain Zaidi, and at a time when I was thinking of what to do next, Hussain Zaidi came up with this idea of a book that really sort of caught our attention, and we got attracted to it and decided that let's develop a full screenplay on the lines of the book. And that's what Phantom is. It comes from Hussain Zaidi's book Mumbai Avengers. And we're really proud to present the trailer to you, and we'll chat about the film once you see the trailer.
So perfect. So back on stage, Sajid sir and Kabir sir right now. Before we introduce the two stars as well, you know, I have to say something. Kabir, you're very relaxed. आप बजरंगी भाईजान के पहले इतने नॉर्मल थे, अब आपकी पिक्चर ने $50 million से ज्यादा कमा लिया है, अब ये ट्रेलर पर भी इतने नॉर्मल है. Are you always like this, very cut to cut, very dry, or do you ever get excited about something?
No, I do get very excited,
but you don't seem to show it.
Yeah, I don't sort of look overexcited. I don't think I take any stress in life, so maybe that's the reason why I don't jump around.
But on behalf of everyone, we all loved Bajrangi also. A big round of applause for him. We love the film, sir. You made many grown men cry. It's very difficult to do that. Sajid sir, you it's bigger, bigger and bigger for you. You know, it just doesn't, there's seema nahi hai koi film ki production ke liye, you know, in the size of it. Is that what your motto is always, just to make the best possible and cost no bar, so as to say?
I feel I like working with the best talent this country has to offer, and Kabir is one of it. Very difficult to greenlight films now. After Highway, every interesting story to be told. Don't want to lose an opportunity of telling a story. And thanks to Kabir, I got this opportunity. Thanks to Saif and Katrina to be endorsing it also. Thank you.
And just before I call Saif and Katrina on stage, Kabir, this is back to slam bang, lots of action, it's amazing. Do you enjoy this genre a lot also? Are you somebody, when you were a kid, that liked having guns in your hand and, you know, maybe playing with G.I. Joes or, you know, watching those kind of films?
Yeah, like all boys, I think I did that. But more importantly, I spent a lot of my formative years as a documentary filmmaker in a lot of conflict zones. It's like my wife Minnie always says that people go for holidays, you go to all the hellholes of the world. So I think that backdrop always sort of finds its way in my films. Always get sort of, I get attracted to human stories set against a backdrop of conflict.
And they're all doing very well. They're breaking the bank balances of so many people. And I'd like to call on stage, my God, they're good looking, and I have not seen Katrina for some time. And you're looking lovely, and nice to meet you again, sir. And before we start chatting, I think they'd want a little bit of a photo op, so we take a little bit of that. Yeah, just if you could leave the mics behind. Sir, could you jump across here if it's okay?
Please request the writer also. Yeah. Hussain sir. Hussain sir. Hussain sir.
Sir, I'll towards the end. Towards the end. Hussain sir, we'll just have a seat, sir. We'll just call you towards the end. So let's start chatting now. I'll come back into this eventually. यार ना तो आप जाने वाले ना मैं जाऊंगा ना ये जाएंगे. Okay, let's start chatting first. Let's just have a seat. We'll do left, right, and center towards the end for sure. Yeah. So nice to see you all again. You've seen this before. There's a lot of beating up and lots of jumping and do you enjoy the whole process?
Yeah, for sure. I think, yeah, like you said, Tiger was, we did have a lot of action.
Yeah.
But this is a very different kind of action. It's once you get into the story and understand the story, then you understand the context of the action. So it was very different. Here we've shot in Lebanon for the film, which was amazing. I wanted to go back, and now Kabir said that apparently it's not really safe to go back. But I
don't think it was ever very safe. Even when you were
shooting. We had a great time. I love it.
I didn't tell them that at that time.
Now, there's this great connection that the both of you have as well also. You know, you go back to New York as well also. I remember one of your best performances on the big screen. So just, ye jo jodi hai aapki, you know, just a little bit about that. What you like so much about him that you continue to go back to work with him?
He was one of the first people to really allow me to talk a lot. And he would listen quietly. So in New York, I remember I started talking just little bits. And he would be listening like this. And I'm like, wow, this is a man who likes to hear me talk. And then from that point on, he became my favorite person.
Wow, that's very simple then for you to do that. You listen to a lot to Maria, and that's why you sit so quietly?
Maria, Arshad listens to her, I listen to me.
Oh, sorry.
But I listen to a lot to Maria also.
You know what I mean. Now coming back to Saif sir. We're back to the zone where you're being a special agent, let's put it this way. And lots of action, this is your zone. You know, when we went back a few years, you had Agent Vinod also. Didn't do as well as the box office, but still, it was a very difficult film to do as well. Did you also enjoy doing this, or do you prefer the simpler roles with just a lot of performance oriented?
No, I completely love this kind of movie. And Kabir and I have been meaning to work together for a very long time. And Sajid Bhai also. And I'm happy this worked out this way. It couldn't have been better. I think we have a certain interest in common. A certain subject matter. I think both of us were trying to make the same sort of film. some of us made it slightly more successfully than the others. So I'm very happy to be working with him because I love that kind of idea. And I feel very secure with Kabir at the helm of affairs.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.